Hey guys, so I have my lemongrass tea here. I picked it up in Costa Rica. There are 5 places around the world, Costa Rica being one of them, where they are the healthiest, they live the longest. These are called the Blue Zones. I've been so inspired and intrigued by the Blue Zone research that I decided to visit one of these places. Maybe you were following us. It was a couple weeks ago in Nicoya, Costa Rica, to see firsthand how these people live, how they live to be at 100, at 10 times the rate that we do in the US. I'm excited to announce a Blue Zone workshop where I share with you stories of my travels to Nicoya, and then the 10 nutrition lessons that I picked up in Nicoya and amongst the Blue Zones. And I'll let you in on a secret. Living to 100 is not only about what you eat, but it's also about how food fits into your life. So join me for this longevity party on Saturday, May 14th, where we celebrate all things health and vitality. Read the info below for more details. I hope you join us.